Chris from the Safety Off-Road here. Today we got some E-Autogrilles Rocksliders that we're going to be doing an install on. This is them. Just opened them up. They're actually pretty decent. They're smart and put drain holes in the bottom of them, which I saw right away and I liked. And they have 3 supports versus some of the cheaper ones only having a front and a tail support. So they're a lot stronger. Okay, so next I got the 4 factory nuts off, and I'm just gonna hold the slider up here. You can see it has the big holes for the factory washers from the body mounts, and we're actually using the 6 smaller holes. They use the factory studs and nuts, and I should be able to hold it up myself. Lined up eventually. Pretty simple, the studs poke through. I'll just get a couple nuts here tightened here. Pretty simple. Voila! And it's done. Alright, ready? Roll on. Good. Alright, got sliders all installed here. Look good. No complaints really. These were from E-Autogrilles. Get them online. They sell on eBay and Amazon. Fish's Off-Road is one of their other sites. I'll try and put some links down below. So overall, this install was obviously pretty easy, as you can tell from the video. Big thanks to E-Autogrilles for sending me these sliders. Also, I've worked with them before in the past on my front bumper. It's their Stinger Grill Guard JK stubby front bumper. It's held up great over the winter, even with all the sand and salt that they put on our roads. And also, I bought the rear bumper and tire carrier from them when I first got the Jeep. That's held up great too. The pin doesn't rattle on it or nothing. The latch is nice and solid, and none of the coatings come off of that even. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. You could also follow my Instagram at the Santee Off-Road for more updates on the Jeep.